Hello, I'm Katie, and I did my presentation on self-driving cars. For base 1, self-driving vehicles are the cars or trucks in which human drivers are never required to take control to safely operate the vehicle. They are also called autonomous or driverless vehicles. So according to Vox, The Guardian predicted in 2015 that 10 million self-driving cars would be on the road by 2020. And then Elon Musk forecasted Tesla would do it by 2018, and that failed. Right now, a huge problem for them is navigating the roads with a high degree of reliability. There are just so many different circumstances. They've really researched and studied and have been working on it. But as they continue to work on it, Arizona has Waymo cars that are driverless right now, and hopefully they can continue on different cities and keep testing that out. Continued research and work will be done, and lots of changes on the roads will need to be made, is also what's kind of keeping the process of making everything driverless. And so excitement, life will be safer. There will be less human errors, like being distracted on phones and all sorts of other things like food and stuff like that. It'll just be controlled by technology, which will hopefully be like made perfect without any errors. Obviously there will be errors and they will be fixing that. There was a problem in 2018. An accident happened where a car steered itself into a concrete divider and killed the passenger. Stuff like that will happen, but without human error, I assume less problems will come up. And then life will be more affordable, and life will be more enjoyable. People can enjoy being on their phone, talking with their family, looking at the scenery. For base 2, by 2030, self-driving cars will project a revenue of $42 billion, according to Statista, and even by 2022, $15 billion. And this is the chart for the next 10 or so years. And so for base 3, South Dakota could use autonomous vehicles for like trolley or buses to take people around downtown touring. They wouldn't need a driver for that. Food delivery services, they could use less workers. They would use less workers. Cause like sometimes they can't find people to take orders at certain times, so they would never have to deal with that. And they wouldn't have to pay as many like actual humans, although that might also be a downfall. And then they could also use that as a taxi service where it can take people places without there being a human driver as well. Thank you for watching.